Well, Sunday, November 26, 2023. Might not know what I'm doing, but I'm persistent. I got a couple different things working on here. It's trying to make a more granite-like, crystalline, clear-based. Anyways. What we got here is a geopolymer under vacuum, re-vacuum, just put it under vacuum again. Started out under vacuum when it was first made in a little cup, but it lost vacuum, and it still had some, it didn't dry because it was sealed inside here. So keeping it in a super saturated form for the first 24 hours and then resubjecting it to the vacuum again, which again applies a pressure of sorts. Barometric, 1 atmosphere of pressure onto the sample piece. And I put a piece of paper towel on there to help the vacuum take hold past the edge of the cup and precipitate some of that gaseous internals out of there. So, yeah, vacuum packed geopolymer. I'm not saying that they vacuum packed anything, but I was looking for a way to apply some pressure and evacuate the bubbles and keep it in a liquid state longer so that it could have a tighter packed mass to start creating the crystals. And these other ones, I heated these up in the microwave a little bit. I heated this in the microwave just barely after it was repacked. These ones I heated in the microwave. This one I did pretty extremely. And then I added more water glass to it and a little more alum. And it's getting pretty... Here, let me see if we can get a focus on this a little bit. It's getting pretty crystalline. It's... This one's definitely set. This one, yeah, that one's set too. This was not hard before I put it in the microwave. It got up to about 158 to 178 degrees. And water, glass, and granite in the microwave heat up pretty well. Oh, and alum. There's a bunch of aluminum potassium sulfate in here. So I'm trying to get a clearer crystal structure for a binder instead of all the clay, which is white or red and cloudy. Let's just say you're not going to have any light bouncing back out of that very much unless it's really ground off and polished. So there it is, vacuum packed geopolymer. Gonna give that another 24 hours or so. I haven't quite found the secret to getting that crystal to kick right away. I was thinking a heating to cooling down should do it, or starting with the heat and cooling down, but we're working on it. We'll get there.